Hi everyone, just a quick video to show you how to work with Chromebook, with your Chromebooks, with school Chromebooks. I got many requests telling me that you can't work with the Chromebooks. So this is a video. I'm using one of the school's Chromebooks to show you how you do it. So this is the homework. I will start you off as well. This is the homework. You need to build your first website. So I will build a nice school website for the countries close to your heart. What you need to do, and it's very important, is to read the slides, these ones, read the slides, follow the instructions step by step, check the tutorials if you are stuck, and never ever ever give up. This is one thing I will teach you as long as I'm your teacher. Do not give up. So these are the slides. I'll try to make them as simple as I can, but do contact me if you are struggling or if you find it difficult. But also you have online resources, loads of information. YouTube is full of tutorials on how to create simple web pages. Your job is to create a 3-page website or 3 or 4 for your countries, the ones you like. I will show you my example quickly and then you will see what you need to do. So these are the steps. First we clean up one page, we prepare that page, then once we are happy with that page, we will make copies of that page, which is very easy and very quick to do. So you don't have to recreate a page after page. Page after page, you just copy the first one and then you'll have 3 pages that you can play with. So this is the work, the assignment on Teams. Now let's have a look how to work on Chromebook with HTML. I'm going to download my HTML file. I'm still in school and students are shouting, so don't mind the sound, the noise. So I have both my files now. I'm gonna go to show in folder. So this will take me to the downloads folder. I'll select both my files and then click on Ctrl+X or right click and cut. Both of them do the same thing. You must be on Google Drive, and then in Google Drive, in My Drive, you can create a new folder and call it My Travel Blog. I have mine already. Call it let's rename this to Travel Blog. Travel blog. I didn't leave any spaces. The reason is for later when I publish this pages, you will see on the browser better URL, better link. So now I will copy my files. Next thing I will do is to select my first file and rename it Australia without capital letter. Australia without capital letter. And rename this as well Australia.html. Australia again without capital letter. So I have my 2 files. So now I'm working on the Australia.html. How do you work with it? If you double click, it will open on the browser. So can you see now? That's my folder, the one I created, travel blog. If I had space, I would have here %20, which would make the link much difficult to read. But because now it's one word, it's nice and easy. So I have my page. So if I go back now to the other, to my folder, and this one. So now if I right click on it, okay, right click on it, you will manage in Drive. Click on Manage in Drive. Once you are in this Manage in Drive page, or on Drive, on the Drive page, now I can see the text. It's a text editor. I can see the text. If I click here and select Text Editor, it will bring an app, new app for me. It will create, or it will install new app for me to work with. So now I need to do this. Very, very important. Authorize text editor. So I will choose my account and then I'll come down here and continue. Click continue. I will select all Okay, that's fine. You can select all and then click continue. And now I have my page which I can edit. So that's how simple it is to edit HTML pages. So remember, this is the editor, and I should have, this is the page. So to test the page, let me change the color into black. And then click save to drive, and then come and refresh. Sometimes it will take time to take effect, yeah? It will take time to take effect, a minute or two. I'm not too bothered, but the main thing is that you can edit now your page. Let's see if it does it now. It's taking time. That's fine. Here you go. After 30 seconds maybe, now I have my background. So that's me working on Google Chrome. This green comment here, we can delete it all. Okay, so that's one thing. So I have my style. This is my header, my head tag. And then each tag is closed. This is the closing of the head tag. This is my style, which goes inside the head tag. As you notice, the style is where you put all your styles. So now if I say, this is H1, can you see? This is my H1. If I type here, all of this is information you can find online. Find out what you need to do and how you change your elements. So now if I go color and make it gold, if I want to make it gold, and I click save to drive, so now I'm affecting this tag here, H1. I'm styling H1. I don't want this align center. So I'm going to clean my page now while I want the effect to happen, or want the style to take effect on this side. So on this side, I'm waiting for it to take effect because it's a bit slow. It's a bit slow. I will take that time to fix my page. This one I will turn it into H2 instead of a big paragraph. I will turn it into H2. The last one to do is I would come here and then have my favorite countries. Okay, my favorite countries, and save. And no, turn this into H3 and then save. H3 and then save. Okay. So that's how you work with Google Chrome and how you edit HTML pages on Google Chrome. So let's have a look if it took it didn't take it didn't. Now the heading has changed into gold. Can you see? The heading has changed into gold, but the rest didn't change yet. So it'll take a little time, but it will change. Okay. So my page now is more or less clean. It changed now. Can you see? It changed to heading 3, H3, and this one is H2 now. And I don't have any styling. If I go here, I don't have any styling. It's all on the left, start of the page. So that's how it is, and that's how you work with Chromebook. The rest, as I said, you go to the slide, make sure you read the instructions, and let's see what you come up with. When you do your website, when you finish your website, share the folder with me as I did my website with you. I shared this one with you guys here. So now if I go to the Teams, if I go to the assignment page and then right click and then open link in new tab, you can see that my folder is here. So this is my this is my website. So you can have a look for comparison as a module. And then if I click on, let's start with the Australia.html here. If I double click on the Australia.html, manage component, open in new window. Is not what we need to do. Before we work on this, before we work on the Australia.html, we have to, if you click on it, it opens. You have to download it. You have to download the folder into your own drive. This is my drive. Let's have a look. So now if I click on this and open a new tab, so what I'm going to do is to try to download this folder mixed with files on top. Okay, let's see if I can download it. Yeah, download. So now I'm downloading it. Zip in. So download complete. Let me go to this downloads folder. So which one is that one? This one. Yeah, this one. So if I right click here and then extract all, this is just for you to check. Yeah, it's just for you to see how things work. Now can you see now the images show? If I start with Australia.html, where is Australia.html? Here. If I start with Australia.html, you can see that it works. Make sure you download it. If you want to access my site to have a look, and then once you download it, is obviously yours. You can make changes to it. You can edit the pages as you wish. You can use them as a start. Make sure you understand how HTML work and how the styling work. So if again you come to the downloads folder, my travel blog, sorry, this one. If I come to downloads, the downloads folder, and travel blog, the one you just downloaded, is here. If I click on it and then click on travel blog, these are yours now. You can do whatever you want as long as you download them from my drive to yours, to your downloads, to your Google Chromebook. Once you download them there, you can make changes. For example, you can come here and but okay, again you have to send them to drive. They have to be on your Google Drive to be able to make changes to them. Okay, so let's have a look. If now I move to Google Drive, travel blog, I have one here anyway. So this is the one. Now you can make changes to it. So that's how you work. The main thing is I showed you how to work with Google Drive, with Google Chromebook, or with a Chromebook, editing HTML files. So your homework now is to complete this task. Here, following the slides. Okay, I'll good luck, and I am sure you're gonna share with me some really cool websites. I'll speak to you soon.